Welcome in the studio, guys. If you don't know me, I am Flash and I am a full-time content creator, not on this channel. This is my secondary channel, but one of the things that I like doing on YouTube since I've started almost is moto vlogging, and I have a new channel for my English audience where I didn't started posting, but one of my plans for this year is to post a lot of moto vlogs there. And here is my second Action 5 Pro from DJI, which I will unbox in this video to use as my big cam in those moto vlogs, mounted on the mirror or under the tail of the motorcycle to shoot directly at the exhaust and catch the flames that come straight out of the exhaust when doing night rides, because those shots are very cool. And this right here is the adventure combo, which includes more stuff than the Action 5 Pro that we have unboxed on the channel last week. So this combo is pretty useful because we will have a lot of batteries, a lot of juice for filming a lot of hours and hours and hours. So let's start unboxing it. The box is way bigger than the one that comes with the standard combo. And here we have two boxes, OSMO Action 5 Pro and accessories. So let's open up the camera first and see what is inside this box right here. The Action 5 Pro in a bag, silica gel, don't eat it, and the bag that contains the Action 5 Pro case with some mounting accessories. Let's see what is inside here. So that's the case. We have two screws in a bag, mounting stuff, and this case will allow you to mount the camera vertically. And this is the Action 5 Pro out of the bag. Let's peel this off and put the camera aside. And now let's check out the accessories box, which will contain all the batteries and some other mounting accessories, USB-C cable, stickers and documentation, and the charging battery case, which is a bit heavier than the one that comes with the Action 4. Interesting. But wait, there's more. I almost forgot about the selfie stick that comes with the adventure combo, and it is right here on the bottom in another bag. And it looks just like this, and it is pretty smooth when you extend it, pretty sturdy, and pretty useful if you are planning to use your Action 5 Pro this way. But mostly I will use my Action 5 Pro by installing it on my mirror by this, or with this mounting accessory for handlebars. This is the last bag that I will open, and here is the battery case, which also will hold some micro SD cards in the top flap. The DJI logo is painted in white. These are the new style of batteries from DJI. Pretty cool. A very nice feature of this charging case is that if you have the batteries inside and you need to charge your phone, for example, you can do it by using this as a power bank. And there is a button on the charging case which, after pressing it, will show you how much battery is left in each port. And as you can see, everything here is on orange, so I should charge the batteries maybe before using the camera or maybe after, I don't know. Orange is not that bad, but red would show you that the batteries are empty, or one of the batteries is empty. And if you clicked on this video and you are still deciding between getting the standard combo and the Action combo, let me show you what exactly is extra in the adventure combo comparing to the standard combo. One extra magnetic mount, one extra screw, the charging case with two extra batteries, and this selfie stick. That's it. This is all and everything that's extra in the adventure combo. And the rest of the items right here are the ones that you can find in the standard combo. For me, the most helpful thing right here is the charging case with the 2 extra batteries. These are the most important for me. One more magnetic mount you can find anywhere at any camera store. This selfie stick is nice, but for me it's just nice to have because I don't use it that much. So now you might ask, what is my plan for the English channel, for the motovlogging channel, and let me tell you. This should be my B-cam mounted on the mirror or under the tail, as I said earlier. I think I said it, right? Okay, this is the Action 5 Pro, which sits on the helmet as an A-cam, and this is my main camera that I usually use with an ND filter attached to the front element. I have ordered another kit of ND filters to use on the B-cam to have the same image quality and the same motion blur in the pictures. And sometimes when I will want to use 3 cameras, I will also add the Action 4, and the Action 4 will probably sit under the tail where it should record my exhaust and what's behind me, other cars or other motorcycles. That's the max that I would go for, and that's the max that I have always went for. But before I was using GoPros and I have sold all my GoPros, and now I am getting everything ready for motovlogging with 2 or 3 cameras, but with DJI cameras. So these 3 will be the cameras that I will use for recording motovlogs. So A, B and C cam. Mostly I will use 2 cameras, but sometimes 3 and do the multicam edits of the footage. And if I will feel that the Action 4 is way behind when it comes to quality, image quality in low light, maybe I will sell it and add some extra cash over the top and buy the third Action 5 Pro, because the image that comes out of the Action 5 Pro is really amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. Please consider subscribing if you are new and you enjoy the tech related content here on the channel, and I will see you soon in the next one. Flash out!